Hello everyone, it's our word of the day. Our word of the day found in James 5:16. That is the verse that I will share to you. So then, confess your sins to one another. Pray for one another so that you will be healed. Ang gandang pakinggan, no? At ang ganda din isa buhay natin. Having sins na tinatago natin, nakakos yun ng anxiety or mga hinanakit na nasa puso natin, nakakos ng problems or it create parang magalit ka araw-araw. So, ang hirap kaya mabuhay ng ganun. So, mas maganda, we confess it if we have sins to a person or mag-ask tayo ng forgiveness sa taong kagalit natin or may galit tayo. Mas maganda kasi mag-ask na lang ng sorry kaysa sa hintay mo pang sila yung mag-ask ng sorry. And don't forget as well na maghanap ka ng accountability partner kung single ka. If you're married then, your husband will be your accountability partner where you can say your problems, whatever your plans and dreams, or mga hinanakit mo sa buhay na mapagsabihan mo para magaan din yung nasa puso mo. Because they say, revealing of your feelings is the start of healing. So, huwag mo din kalimutan na ipag-pray din sila. Pray for one another. God bless!